is the two educational tools that can be used by the teachers and the students, the greenshot and the green.
Go.
Hi, today I am going to present one of the educational tools, the greenshot. First, we must go to the official site, www.greenshot.org.
Greenshot is a lightweight screenshot software tool for Windows with the following key features. Quickly create screenshots of a selected region, window, or full screen.
Now I will going to teach you on how to download. First, you will go to the official site www.getgreenshot.org and you can see this page. To start download, just click this arrow. Step 2, locate installer file. Double click on it to open. And step 3, click yes or run to authorize installer using the security dialog box. In this case, I already clicked the yes, so you can see that it's already running. And step 4, follow installer instruction. Read the instruction to set up your software. In this case, I select the language English and I click OK. And step 5, after installing, it will appear in your taskbar and you can see this icon. This is a screenshot icon, and to use screenshot, you just click it. And this is the screenshot tool. First, capture region. You can use a keyboard just to press print screen. Capture last region to shift print screen. Capture window, alt plus print screen, and capture full screen. Control plus print screen, and capture Internet Explorer, Control Shift plus print screen. And also you can capture window from the list, and you can also capture Internet Explorer from the list. Example, when you are going to capture region, you just click it, and you can see that there's a green rectangular that appears to your window. And after that, you can see that there is an option here where you can send your picture. Example, I will send it to the Microsoft Word. There you can see that your image is now in the Microsoft Word. Here it is. And let's go to the image editor. When you open image editor, you just click it, the greenshot again, and open image from file. You can choose any file from your computer. To use greenshot, just press print screen and you can see this green rectangular to the image. Just drag it to the desired position that you want, and you can see a option there where you are. Let's go to the another feature of the greenshot, the image editor. First, you must open image editor. And you can see the window like this, and this is a drawing tool, this is a selection tool. You can draw rectangle, ellipse, line, arrow, freehand, you can write it, you can add text box, speech bubble, you can highlight the text or the sensitive data, you can blur or obfuscate. And this is the special effects where you can find the border, the drop shadow, the turn edge, grayscale, invert, and there's also a crop. There's also rotate clockwise, rotate counterclockwise, and to resize. Example, I will draw here a rectangle. Here you can draw a rectangle, the ellipse. You can also add text. Example, I will add text here. And you can highlight. To highlight, you can see that it's turned to a yellow color. It is to highlight the data. And this is to obfuscate or to blur. Example, here I will blur this part. It is used to blur the sensitive data from your image or from the text. And here this is a special tool, the border. Example, you will apply a border. When you apply a borders, you can see that there's a border here, and you can also drop the shadow. You can adjust it, the setting, the shadow thickness, the shadow offset, shadow darkness. You can choose whatever is your desired shadow, and you can click OK. And here you can also put an torn edge. Here you can see that there's a torn edge here. That's the torn edge. And you can also apply grayscale. You can see that it's different. It turns to gray. And you can also apply invert here. This is the image if you invert the picture. And you can also crop. By cropping, you just drag and crop the desired image that you are wanted. So this is the image when you crop a picture. You can also rotate it clockwise or counterclockwise, and you can resize it. It depends upon the width. You can choose the numbers here, the height, and the pixels. You can click OK to your desired setting.
This activity is intended for grade 6 arts.
So, are you ready for the exercise? Well, it's exercise time. So, I provide a link of the op art and you will screenshot the image using greenshot. And after doing that, you will identify the other pictures in the picture. Draw a rectangular shape for the image of the animal. Highlight the image of the female. Circle the image of the child. Put an arrow on the palm leaves. And put an oblong on the male. And you will add text. You will interpret the story or what's happening on the picture. So the instructions are all written on the board, and you will do it for 15 minutes. So good luck.
The last tool that I would like to introduce is the export option that it will found in your menu bar. You can export this picture or the data that you have entered and to a printer to print, or in a Microsoft Outlook, in a Microsoft PowerPoint or Word, Excel. You can also upload it to MS Paint and to Embor. So this is the export option where you are able to send your data. Example, I will click Microsoft Word. So it will found on the Microsoft. This is the picture where you send your product of the
Hello
image.
everyone, I am going to present one of the educational tools, gliffy, an online diagram and flowchart. It is an HTML5 cloud-based diagramming software. It is used to create UML diagrams, floor plans, Venn diagrams, flowcharts, and various other kinds of diagram online. It is also a free diagramming software. It enables the user to design different diagrams for a variety of uses. They can share these designs and collaborate with others who have an interest in the project or design.